Want to make a mobile game in Unity but have no idea how to handle player movement on Android? Let's build it. What's up everyone? Welcome back. Today in the Save the Squirrel series, we are setting up player movement with on-screen buttons, a Singleton GameManager and boundary clamping. All tested live in the Android simulator. Let's get into it. First, open the game manager. We are using the Singleton pattern, which ensures only one game manager exists at any time in the game. We declare a public static game manager instance. In the awake method, if instance is null, we set it to this. If it already exists, we destroy the duplicate and return. That's it. Clean, simple, and you'll use this pattern in every Unity project you ever make. Now the main script, player movement. Here's what we need. A public float speed to control how fast the player moves. 3 public bools, player is moving left, player is moving right, and player is idle to track state. A private int move direction defaulting to 0. 2 boundary floats, left boundary at -5 and right boundary at 5. And a cached private transform player transform assigned in awake. In the update method, if move direction is not 0, we translate the player using vector2.write times move direction, speed, and time.delta time. Time.delta time keeps movement smooth regardless of frame rate. Then we clamp the position between our boundaries using mathf.clamp. This stops the player from running off screen. Finally, 3 public methods for our buttons. Move left sets the move direction to -1, move right sets move direction to 1, and player idle resets move direction to 0. These methods get called directly by the UI buttons. And that's it. Player movement done. Left right clamped boundaries done. And a solid game manager singleton done. If this worked for you, comment player is moving below. And don't forget to subscribe Unity Dev Shorts. Thanks for watching.